a revolutionary step when it comes to introducing independent music and singles. So I think we are part of that generation, we are part of that revolution, and we are very happy that there is a song which is not a film song, which is an old classic, and we are all fan of that old classic, and that classic has been revisited very beautifully by our friend Abhijit, rewritten by Manoj, and sung by us, and Ali and Zareen. This would not have looked what it looks without you.
It was amazing.
So
Make some noise for them.
happy.
Come on. Anna, this one's for you. Abhi Ali or Zareen, I'll come there. मुझे ये हाँ ऐसे थोड़ा. So मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
भूल गया. See the cue card.
ये मैं नहीं हूँ. ये यहाँ पे जितने लोगों ने वीडियो देखा वो है ये लोग. मुझे ये बोलो, ऐसा जॉर्जिया में आप लोग हो, दोनों एक जगह कहीं एंटर करते हो, उसके बाद यू लुक अ लिटिल अम्यूज्ड, यू नो, अंदर जाके ये क्या हो रहा है, मतलब जरीन तभी वहाँ कॉन्फिडेंट दिख रही है एकदम, आप ये कहाँ ले आए, मैं क्या हो रहा है? अच्छा उल्टा था.
हाँ, like I was the one who was feeling whatever.
अच्छा, और
supposed to feel whatever.
उसके बाद आप, हाँ, both of you, उसके बाद आपने वो काका काकी को देखा शुरुआत में, काका काकी कुछ कर रहे हैं, फिर जोश आया. प्लीज टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दैट.
जोश नहीं आया क्यों? आई थिंक वो थोड़ा हम लोग थोड़ा स्कैंडलाइज होके वहां से भाग जाते हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट यू सी व्हेन ज़रीन रन्स ऑफ. और फिर उसके बाद इट्स अ कपल, इट्स अ डे, यू नो, इन अ कपल्स लाइफ, अ न्यूली मैरिड कपल. और वो दिन दिखाते हैं. ऐसा कुछ अतरंगी नहीं दिखाना है. जरूरी नहीं है कि मतलब वो ऐसे हाँ चल यार इसके बाद तो हमें ना डिज्नीलैंड जाना चाहिए क्योंकि बहुत गलत हो गया. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. And it's very Moulin Rouge-ish. It has that Victorian feel to it, the first part, and that woman who's actually a very some actress there, no, some famous actress, पता नहीं, Georgian actress. तो yeah, उसके बाद फिर एक
and it seems, you know, chemistry देख के तो लग रहा है there was something, you know, going on. तो Zareen, please throw some light on that.
I think we're just good actors.
Thank God you didn't say we're just good friends.
No, man. Sometimes that can be the acting. So it's, you know.
इससे ज़्यादा scandalous कुछ नहीं होगा. अभिजीत, first time you just
no. I mean, as actors, we should be given. Hey, come on, यार तू news बना रहा है तू. As actors, good acting, bad acting. I mean that.
Good. हाँ, सबको पता लग गया क्या टैग करना है, क्या दिखाना है, सिर्फ हमारे चैनल पर. अभिजीत, this one's for you. You know, recreating an iconic song, किशोर दा का गाना. And how was it for you?
Well, my pants were a little wet in the start when I kind of.
Oh no! Were you scared?
No. Not after the video. Yeah. No, before the video, because obviously the song is a really big track, and you know, recreating it is a bit of a problem. To kind of please the audience, कि अगर आप recreate करते हो तो आपकी इज्जत का सवाल हो जाता है in that sense. But thankfully, it came out naturally because, well, बचपन से ये गाना सुनते आ रहे हैं, and I took a week or something to digest the fact that I had to, you know, recreate such a big track. But by the end of it, when Arman, Neeti were supposed to be featured, I was like, oh, I'm kind of saved. Right. Yeah, but it was a fun experience.
मनोज साहब, lyrics एकदम इसको भी recreate करना was not a joke है.
देखिए, हम अक्सर बातें करते रहते हैं. जो पुराना था, बड़ा खूबसूरत था, बड़ा प्यारा था, खूबसूरत था, प्यारा था, लेकिन सिर्फ उसकी तारीफ करके, उसके बारे में नॉस्टैल्जिक होके हम चुप हो जाते हैं. तो एक कदम आगे बढ़ाएं, जो खूबसूरत था उसे वापस ले आएं. यही टी सीरीज ने किया है, यही अभिजीत, अरमान, नीति, अली और हमारी बेहद खूबसूरत ज़रीन ने किया है. सो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस.
एक कदम बढ़ाएं और अगली बार इनसे ही शो होस्ट कराएं. मतलब यही लग रहा होगा, इतना अच्छा बोलते हैं. तालियां हो जाए मनोज साहब के लिए, कलम का जादू. और नाउ इट्स ओवर.
but yeah, maybe we could consider it like a tribute to him because obviously he's been an iconic figure in our industry. So I would say that for sure. Yeah.
So is it a conscious thing that y'all are releasing a day before his birthday, or is it just a coincidence?
Priya.
Priya
Is
has
it Priya?
sponsored it. Yes, a coincidence. A beautiful coincidence.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh, we're good. पास हो गए.
एक सवाल जो मुझे चल रहा था, how difficult was this? Easy तो सबको लगता है, everybody, हाँ जॉर्जिया हम भी जाएंगे, हम भी करेंगे, और सही है. But कैसे? Was it difficult?
Of course, I mean it is. Anything to shoot is, but also especially I think because there was, we had to keep bridge the gap of this age and such a beautiful song and iconic, like Pyar Manga Hai, one of my old favorites. And then you're showing like this really cool new, at least I think cool, new age couple, who's there, who's newly married, and you have to keep the sanctity of that song also, which is what I love. I mean, I have to thank you guys, because so many times remixes can go wrong. और एक हर गाने का एक लय होता है, और अगर ये ओरिजिनल है तो उसकी वो बरकरार रहनी चाहिए. I think that is something that was really maintained, and we just worked with it. We went with it, and we followed little instruction. The scenes were choreographed properly, nicely, and that's it. Yeah.
Zareen, इससे पहले भी नीति and Arman और आप ये तिगड़ी पहले भी काम कर चुकी है. So how special was that? हाँ sorry मालूम मत.
तुम हो. I wrote it. You cannot overlook me.
Sorry. मैं आपको सर ज्यादा फुटेज नहीं दे रहा. अगली बार आप ही को बुलाएंगे, मुझे नहीं बुलाने वाले लोग. जी.
I think they're just lucky for me. They create magic for me, and I think they created it in this one as well. I would like to think that way.
वो Arman